Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today guys, I'm in the greenhouse and today I'm going to show you guys how I'm harvesting some beautiful lettuce, and I'm going to give you guys some tips what I've been doing to grow delicious lettuce guys in a container. If you guys look right here, it's you can see like the light blue. It's about a 3 gallon container I have right now. And basically guys, what I did, super easy, 3 gallon container. And I drill about 4 to 6 holes on the bottom, even on the side of the containers, to get like the extra water out or airflow to the root. And because if it's a greenhouse, sometimes it gets really hot, and lettuce in the greenhouse require a lot more water to me, to get the best lettuce and get them to rich, green, delicious tasting lettuce. I would say watering twice a day sometimes. Like I water early this morning, guys. I did a little bit of water, and now some of the plants are already getting burned and dried out. It's about 5 6. It's about 5:30 right now in the evening. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna cut a bunch out. So these lettuce right here, guys, normally most people will just go all the way to the bottom and clip. Uh, what I will do with some of them, I'll clip all the way to the bottom, because as you guys can see, it's bulk right now. It's like a bouquet of lettuce, and that's the way I love it, guys. Lettuce seed is so small. I know some people are planting it like 4 inches to 6 inches apart and stuff like. I just like to put a bunch of seed inside a container and just have them like puffed up. And every day I will come, and like if you lift it up like this right here, I could just easily just bend the leaf downwards when I do it. So, and you guys can see, it's really delicious. So good, guys. So, I had to eat one. So, guys, sorry about the light due to the sun. There's a lot of sun here. So, as you guys can see, it's really like a big pile of a big crown of lettuce, delicious lettuce all over. And as you guys can see, my container right there. I Lettuce is very easy to grow, guys. You don't need anything much, nothing special. Just make sure you water. You have regular soil, and in the greenhouse is a little bit more, caring with the water and stuff like that. And what I'm gonna do, guys, if you guys look, I do have a butternut squash coming there, but I do have a nice cucumber right there. I do have another cucumber right there, and literally, guys, they ran up this way, lost control, and they're all over my pepper plants right now. But I'm gonna have to run through because, as you guys see, it's a monster back there. This guy's a big guy right there. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna basically do, guys, some of them I'm gonna cut from the bottom, and some of them I could just cut from the leaf right here. You just pull out the leaf, and you're still growing, so yeah, nothing hurts. And then looking at a cucumber with a green stripe on the bottom, dark green to the top, perfect time to harvest. Do not let your cucumber turn yellow or a white spot, too big white spot. It's getting overripe. You're gonna lose the taste, and you don't want that, guys. All right, guys. So I basically just cut a bunch of lettuce right now, and I have so much was growing in there, guys. So I literally will just like cut them off. As you guys can see, they're beautiful, and they're like towers. Look at that. I can't remember this exactly type of lettuce of this guy, so I'm gonna have to do back some research and see which seed I planted, and leave that in. Check the description below. I'm gonna try to find the name of that and put that inside. But guys, lettuce, as I said, is very easy, and it's not hard to grow. And I did pick a couple of the cucumbers. A lot. My tomato is most of my tomatoes right now are not that red, but I was able to go around and harvest this massive squash too, guys. Guys, basically, I'm just gonna give all this to my neighbor too, because I have a lot. I do have a ton of stuff, guys, and we can't eat it all. Sometimes I give it to my pig, and I give all my family, friends, and neighbors. Guys, recap. I'm just gonna let you guys know real quick. Oh, look at this beautiful pepper coming up too. Look, I'm just gonna pick one right now. Yep, beautiful, green, delicious pepper. We're gonna put this with our next collection over there. Um, I'm still walking around. I'm gonna be show you guys harvesting more stuff. So guys, my recap to growing lettuce in the container is very easy. Make sure you have good soil, high quality soil. Your container is about 3 gallons and up. Make sure you have a lot of holes on the bottom, 6 to 8 holes. It's good for air and water flow. And if you have it in the greenhouse, you water twice if you're 80 degrees plus, 90 degrees plus. If it's not that hot, you could water once a day, guys. It's fine. And you know, that's all you need to do. You don't really need to do much with lettuce. If you guys have any problem growing your lettuce, please leave in the comment below if I could help out or I could answer your question. I would love to help. And as I said, guys, you know, lettuce is easy, it's tasty, it's delicious, it's healthy, and it's really one of the most easiest thing to grow in your garden, guys. Alright, guys, so thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free, and I have tons of more videos coming up, guys. It's been crazy. The summer's going to be ending in New York soon, so we've been trying to make the best out of it and, you know, do everything back, and then school start. So it's a lot going on, but we still got the garden going, guys. Even in the fall time, guys, when all the plants going to be you know, rest in peace in the outside in the winter time. And I'm gonna try to keep the greenhouse alive. I bought a heater. I'm gonna try to seal it up, you know, winterproof it. I'll show you guys all the video, guys. So stay tuned, and don't forget, guys, subscribe. It's free. Thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden.